Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to fix fingerprint not working on Motorola Razr 70 Plus. First, go into Settings, then navigate to Security and Privacy, Device Unlock, Face and Fingerprint Unlock, type in your password, then Fingerprint. Delete your fingerprint and add fingerprint. Now lift your phone and touch the fingerprint sensor. Touch and lift your finger from every angle possible. We're nearly done. Okay, done. You can also take a microfiber cloth and clean the fingerprint sensor right here. Then take your phone and try again, and as you can see, it is working. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.